Hello guys, and welcome to a course on Canva. Now Canva is a website that you can use to make logos and other graphics designing stuff. So this is a very good website that you can use to learn a lot and use it as a freelancer. Okay, so Canva is very popular right now. Many people are using this, and using Canva can be very useful to you guys. Okay, so in this course, what we're going to learn here is that we're going to learn about creating logos and then creating YouTube thumbnails. Also, you can also create YouTube banners as well, and it doesn't have to be YouTube. You can make Facebook banners as well, but I'm going to show you with YouTube banners and YouTube thumbnails how you can create them, and you can also create logos for your business or company. And I'm also going to go through the best fonts that are in Canva that you can use, and you can use them as any type. Like there are a few fonts that are like versatile that you can use anywhere, and there are a few fonts that you can use in a particular niche. Okay, so please make sure that you take this course, and I hope you will learn a lot, and I will see you in the first lesson on Canva. Okay, hello and welcome to a course on Canva. Now, if you haven't heard of Canva, what is Canva? Canva is a website where you can use the website to customize anything that is graphical or you need for YouTube thumbnail or anything else. If you need a Facebook cover, you can actually create these with Canva. Now this website, it's not totally free. You can actually use it for free, but there are two versions. One of them is the Canva Pro, which you need to subscribe and you need some payment. All right, now Canva is a really good website if you're starting off with graphics designing and other stuff. Now I'm going to give the overview of Canva in this lesson. So we're going to start by, let's say if we go to the design spotlight here, you can see here there are a lot of options here. Okay, so simply if you want to get to Canva, you have to just go to your browser and just type in Canva, and it will take you to the home page of Canva. Okay, you can see here. Now once we get to the home page, this is going to be the interface here, and they're gonna want you to create an account. All right, so you're gonna have to create an account to start editing. So I already created an account, so I'm just not going to show you right now. Now let's take a look at the overview of the whole website. All right, now from here in design spotlight, you can see here there are a lot of options and a lot of things that you can cover here. So the first one is visual documents, which has worksheet, docs, presentations, whiteboards. Now if you want to create a presentation, you can just click on here. They're gonna take you to another interface, and there you can just start editing. Okay, now they're going to want you to, like they're saying, design, present, inspire with Canva presentations. Okay, so this is just a demo. They're going to show you that this is a demo of all the templates that are available on Canva. Okay, so you can just make a cover here like this, just like this, okay, for your presentation. All right, you can see here these are all the business presentation, talking presentation, mobile first presentations, and there are a lot of options here as well. Education presentation. Now if you're like running a business and you have to make a presentation on your assignment in your business, you can actually use these templates. Like if I want to make a presentation, business presentation, I could just click on it, and they'll just provide me with all of these templates. Okay, now most of them that are showing here are free, but there are a lot of them which are, I mean, you need a subscription to use these, like this one. Okay, this one has the crown here, and if I move my cursor there, you can see here it's written Pro. Okay, so it's asking me upgrade to Canva Pro to access this template. And then there's this one as well. Now in this one, the gray white, this one, you can see here it says there's a dollar sign here, and whenever I move my cursor there, it says paid. Okay, so it says this template contains paid elements, so this is not completely free. Okay, you need to pay some for some elements of it in order to use it in full. Okay, but other than that, this one, or the video ones, or this one that doesn't have any icons there, or any dollar icons or crown icons, they're completely free. Okay, so if I select this one, they're gonna ask me if I want to customize on this template or not. If I click on it, they're gonna take me to another interface where I can actually modify the template as I desire. All right, so you can see here I can start editing this as I want. So business project, I can give here, present here my name, and then I can give another heading here. Okay, so we're not going to use this one, so we're just going to cut this one right now, and we're going to go back. So we're going to go back to home. So in home, I was showing you this design spotlight. Okay, so this is the visual documents. All type of documents that you want to create, you can use it from here. Okay, you can select any type of templates from here. And then we have photos and videos. There's the video editor, YouTube video editor, photo colleagues. Now you can actually use video editors as well. You can edit videos using this Canva. You can also, there is also an interface with YouTube video editor. Then photo editor, you can obviously create photos here, edit them very nicely. Then photo colleagues, and then we have print, the business cards, invitation, mugs, t-shirts, hoodies, calendars. Now if you want to like set up merchandises, you can actually use Canva to design your merchandises according to your brand, or if you want to make them make more goodies, you can actually use Canva. And now we have the marketing. Now in marketing, we have logos, posters, flyers, brochures, and then social media, websites, stickers, yard signs, and you can also create QR code. Okay, they can actually generate QR codes from Canva. You can create logos if you have a company, or if you're willing to start a company or a website or a new brand using your name, you can actually create logos for free using Canva. Then we have posters. You can create posters as well, flyers, then all of these types, all of these things you can use. All right, now we have the business section here. So it says Canva for business. We have some really good options here. You can see here there's content creation, visual communication, brand management. Then we have team collaboration. Now the thing about team collaboration is that you can actually create your teams, a group of people, 5 or 4 people. You can actually create teams and edit with them as well. Okay, so that's the neat part of Canva. You can actually create themes with Canva as well. Then there is this option called solution. In solutions, there is marketing, creatives, agencies, sales, communications, media and publishing, startups, real estate. Yeah, there are a lot of options here. So the resources here are business resources, case studies, features, interrogations, and apps. All right, and then we have education. Now in the education section, it's really important for students. You know, they can actually present their assignments using Canva. They can create their assignments as well. So there's this option called teachers and schools, create and collaborate visually in the classroom. Then we have students, design and documents to boost your learning. Yes, you can also learn a lot of things from Canva as well. free teachers resources, tutorials, courses, webinars, and more, just for educators. All right, now this section is mainly for teachers, for them to learn and then teach. Then we have LMS interrogations. These for our use, we're not gonna need this education section, so I'm gonna just skip this plan. And now we have the plans and pricings. Okay, now this is important. Like I told you, there are like a few three versions of Canva. So this one is free, which we're right now using, and then we have the pro, and then we have the teams. Okay, so if I go to compare pricings, now here you can see in this page, new tab, page, another tab. So you can see here there are like three versions. Okay, so currently we're using the Canva free. For anyone wanting to design anything on your own or with others, yes, you can create teams using Canva free version as well. And then Canva Pro, it's like $54 per year for one person. Okay, so that's $54 per year for one person, and you can actually purchase it using your wire transfer or bank account or credit card. So if you're like a single freelancer or any type of guy who is collaborating with a business company, you might want to get the pro version of Canva. Okay, so it's not really a bad investment here. $54, you'll get the full version of Canva. And if you're actually just a independent freelancer making your own money, working for yourself, then you don't probably need the pro version. You can just do it with the free version as well. And then getting the pro version is just a plus point. You can actually get it very easily. And then we have the Canva for teams. Okay, now all the great features of Canva Pro, plus we think you'll love these features, designed to allow teams of all sizes to collaborate with ease. All right, so that's $84.90 per year total for the first 5 people. Okay, so if you have a team of 5 people, you can actually purchase this for 1 year, and you can collaborate with your teammates and make things. All right, so that is the plans and pricings of Canva. All right, and it's best if you get the Canva Pro version for one person for yearly. That would make a really good difference. Okay, but if you're just an independent user, you can just use the Canva free. That's not a big deal. So we're gonna go back, and now in the home page, we're going to take a look here. Now if we take a look at the far left side here in the screen, you can see here there are a few options here as well. Now if we go to the projects, now in the projects, you can see here these are like the projects that we started, that we created recently, which are actually saved. So I clicked on this one, this template before you saw, so that is one of the projects that I used, and it's been saved here. So if you open a project, it's going to be saved here, so you can just go back to that project again. All right, and then we're going to go back to the home, and then we're going to take a look at, so back to home, and now we have the templates here. Now I kind of touched on the templates before, but that was with some other topic. But the templates, there are like tons of templates in Canva, and you can use templates from any categories that you wish. Like all of these are the documents templates, Instagram posts, Facebook posts, logos, flyers. There are many more. Okay, Instagram stories, posters. I mean, there are a lot of niches that you can try. Like if you want to make merchandises, you can try this, t-shirts. These are like pretty good. So you can see here we can create YouTube thumbnails. Like these are like some of the demo templates of YouTube thumbnails, like this one or this one, business strategy, and there are a lot of more. Like you don't have to make it just like this, you can just click on it, then you can just customize it like yourself. Okay, you can put your own picture here, you can also write something that you want, you can keep this one or keep the background or even change the background, that's up to you. Okay, so there are a lot of thumbnails here to try on, and you can just experiment on one of them and see how it goes. All right, then we have Facebook covers. Here you can see here, these are the demo Facebook covers. Like this is like, these are all the demos that you can see here, and you can try them as well. Okay, so these are the templates. So let's get back to home, and then we have the brand hub. Okay, the brand hub is it's only for the guys who like purchased the Canva Pro. So the brand hub is not for the free version, so I'm not gonna show it. Now these are the apps. Okay, so in apps you can see here there are a lot of apps here that you can try, and Canva actually has a mobile app. All right, Canva actually has a mobile app that you can use through your phone to edit on, so that's a good thing of Canva. So this is mainly the overview of Canva. All right, now there is another option here, you can search like anything on Canva. From here you can actually search for, like if you want to create a logo, they're gonna tell you that there are a lot of logos here. Okay, if you can't get it from there, you can just go here, search for like logos. So basically that is Canva, the overview of Canva, and we're gonna go and edit some things. We're gonna make some logos, and we're gonna make some YouTube thumbnails as well. Those are all in the next videos. In the following videos I'm going to show you them to you, and so I will see you in the next lesson. All right, hello and welcome back to another lesson on Canva. So in our previous lesson I introduced you to Canva's overview and all of the settings and all of the options that we have here in Canva. All right, so in this lesson I'm going to talk about the top bars. All right, now the top bars is like this one, you can see here, create a design. When you want to start a new project, you can actually go here and click on create a design. Then we have the settings, and then we have download the app. Now I touched on this a little bit before in our first lesson, and there is actually an Android app, mobile app, that you can use on your phone to edit things, stuff, do basically whatever you want to do on Canva. You can do it through your mobile with using the mobile app. Okay, and then we have this create design. All right, now the create design, once we click on it, you can see here they're asking me if it's a document, a doc file, or whiteboard, or video, or any other thing. Okay, so let's select the doc first. Now once we selected the doc, you can see here there's interface here that we can use to design. All right, so we're gonna go back to home now. So now we're going to create a design, and we're going to create a design from scratch. Okay, so that's why we're going to use custom size. And once we click on the custom size, they're going to ask me the width and height of the page that we want to use. So I'm just gonna give like 1000 by 1000 pixels. If you want it in any other way, like millimeter, centimeter, or inchy, you can. I'm just gonna use pixels and create a new design. All right, now they're gonna create me a new design here. You can see here this is like a 1000 by 1000 page. Okay, so I can actually edit anything here. Okay, now the top bar here, the top panel here, you can see here it says home. So if I click here, it'll take me back to my home page. So we're not gonna go back to home, so we're gonna click on the file. Once I click on the file, you can see here there are a lot of options here. Okay, so if I click on view settings, you can see here there are show rulers and guides, then add guides, then show margins, or show print bleed. Okay, so if I like deselect this one, you can see here that there are no rulers here. Okay, there was this ruler here, but now it's not there. And if I like click on show margin, the margins disappear as well. And then if I like deselect this one, show print bleed, the print bleed will also disappear. Now what are these settings? What are these settings? Now once I click on show ruler and guides, you can see here this is the ruler that's appeared. Now we can use it to resize it to the proper size of this page. And then if I go to show margins, you can see here the margin is appearing as well. Okay, and then if I go to like show print bleed, the print bleed will also appear. Okay, so we're not gonna need the print bleed right now, so I'm just gonna deselect this one, and I'm gonna deselect the margins as well. Now the print bleed is like the once you print it, it's gonna come into that size that you prefer it or extend it. It's up to you once you print it. So that is the print bleed. Okay, and if you want to add any text here, you can actually go to the text section here and add a heading, and you'll have a heading bar here. And if I like select any heading, like any name, let's go with Frank, and if I want to like change the color of this, I can actually go here in the top panel here and just change the color to whatever color I want it to be. Alright, so red, pink, or any other color that I want. Okay, it's gonna be that, and I can resize it. I can add a subheading as well. So Frank Sinatra. Okay, so and then I can also change the color of this one as well. To any color that I want. Okay, I can also change the font if I want it to be bold, and if I want it to be any other font for that matter, you can just select it from here. You can also resize it. And we can also change the background of this to whatever we like. Okay, and then we can also change, let's change the font size here. And let's change this one as well. Okay, so that's actually how you make a custom design. Alright, and if you want to add any images, you can also add images here as well. Now if I want to add an image to this background, I can just simply go to this option here. You can see here upload option, and if you like add any image, upload any image here, you can just click on upload files, and then you can just take an image from your desktop and then click on open. They're gonna be appearing here. Okay, and you can just take any picture, like let's say this one. Okay, and you can just place it anywhere in the background that you want, and you can just adjust it like this, fit into the whole picture, just like that. And then you can just edit it from here. Okay, like if I want to edit this one, if I want to edit this one, change its color to and then I can just change its font. Okay, and then I can also add in other stuff, just like if I okay, that was my bad. If I want to add in other stuff, I can just go to the elements and get some shapes or whatever I want to add, any type of thing that I want to add here. I can just go to this, or I can just search. Alright, so if I want a star, I can just take these stars. I can simply just take these stars and place it anywhere I want. Let's place one here, take another one, paste it here. Make this one bigger. So you can edit it like that. Okay, and then you can use it as a logo or any icon, maybe a Facebook icon or a YouTube icon, just like that. Now I'm just showing this for example. Okay, I'm not actually making anything, I'm just showing it how you can do it. Now you can see here there are a lot of pro version elements here as well, like this photo, it's a pro version, this one's a pro version as well, there's not this one, but not this one as well, this one, this star, it's a pro version as well. You gotta have a pro account in order to use this. Okay, so I'm not showing you in a pro account, so you can actually get an overview of this whole website, that how it really works and what are the benefits if you take the pro version. And there are these videos as well, this ninja star throw. Okay, and you don't have to, it's not like that you can use only one star, there is this red star as well. And if I like take this red star right here, and you can see that it's in the background right now, right? We can just adjust this. And adjust it in the middle. We're going to adjust these sparks a bit, and yeah, and then we can add more things if we want. Like if we go to graphics, and then we don't need the star, we can just type in all and then go to graphics, photos, videos. There are also videos here, okay, of stars. You can add them as well, but most of them you can see here they're like pro. Alright, so basically they're videos, that's why they're pro. And if you purchase the Pro version, you will obviously get all those videos for free. Like, not for free, you have to purchase the whole account, then you'll get it for free, right? Yes. So that is basically the designing, and you can see that there is this ruler here as well, okay, in the side and in the up. Now I showed you that this is because of here, okay. I said show rulers, and if I don't, it won't show any, okay. And then once you're done, you can actually just go to share and download this. All right, they're going to ask you if you want it in a PNG or JPG file. We can do that as well, and downloading is really easy. Just click on the downloads and it will start downloading. So that is basically it for the top panel, and I showed you what the top panel, all of these do, and I will see you in the next lesson, and we're going to discuss about these side panels in the next lesson, okay?